Acer offers a variety of extended service plans that can help ensure that your computer is protected if unexpected issues arise. Our extended service plans can offer additional support and coverage after your standard manufacturer's warranty has expired, and can even help protect against accidental damage from drops, liquid spills, cracked screens, and other covered accidents. To purchase an extended service plan, you first need to verify that your computer is still within its standard manufacturer's warranty. To check if it's in warranty, simply go to acer.com, click on Support, and in the left column, click Warranty Inquiry. Select your country from the drop-down, and then enter your serial number or SNID, and press Get Information. After a moment, it'll let you know your current warranty type and when it ends. From here, you can either click Purchase Extended Service Plan, or go to store.acer.com, select your country, and in the top navigation bar, select Acer Care. From here, type your serial number or SNID, and click Submit. After a moment, you'll be presented with the extended service plan options for your specific device. This can range from a service plan that extends protection for parts and labor and toll-free phone support, up to plans that include accidental damage protection and paid shipping if you ever need a repair. Once you decide on the plan that you'd like, click Add to Cart. In the shopping cart, make sure your country is selected, and then select your state or province. Then select your zip or postal code, and click Proceed to Checkout. From here, you'll need to enter your email and billing address, then continue to enter your payment information. Once you've finished with everything and click Place Order, you'll be given your order number. Note that it could take up to 2 working days once you place your order for it to be processed. Once your order is ready, you'll receive an email with your Acer Care documents, including your certificate of coverage. And if you go back to the Warranty Inquiry website and search for your serial number or SNID, you'll now see that the warranty type has changed to your new extended service plan, and the end date has been updated. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe. See service plans for complete details, including limitations, exclusions, and provider information. In Texas, the obligor is National Product Care DBA Texas National Product Care Company.